Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about West Bengal set 2022. And friends, as you all know, the examination date is also out. The examination date will be on 9th January 2022. I hope the candidates who have applied for West Bengal set, you are preparing well. And here the Global Online University has come up with 4-month crash course on paper 1. Yes, this 4-month crash course is very helpful to boost your preparation. I hope if you follow this crash course, you can easily score more than 75 marks in paper 1 and you can focus more on your paper 2. If you score more than 75 in paper 1, it is very easy to clear the West Bengal set. So here for paper 1 preparation 2022 for West Bengal set, here in this crash course we are providing you full syllabus video lectures on paper 1, and with these video lectures we are also providing you 60 mock tests for paper 1 preparation. After attending these tests you can assess your preparation level. Then after attending the tests, we are going to provide you solution PDF of all the 60 tests. And in order to boost your preparation level, we are also providing 1000 expected MCQs PDF. This PDF is also very useful for your preparation. Then not only video lectures, 60 tests and 1000 MCQs PDF, we are also providing you notes on each unit in PDF format. And with this we are also going to analyze the previous year question papers, and all this study material is available only in English. And if you are preparing for West Bengal set, this crash course is very helpful for your preparation level, and this crash course is available only at rupees 1499. I think this is very minimum fees for this crash course. If you want to join for this crash course, you can pay on this number via Google Pay or Phone Pay. Then you can send a screenshot, we will add you to the group. Then from here you can access our material. Yes friends, if you want to join, you can join by downloading our Global Online University app from Play Store, or you can also join directly on our WhatsApp. If you want to join directly on WhatsApp, you can contact this number. Now the number is 9743105335. You can send a WhatsApp message or you can call us. And friends, I have one more suggestion I would like to give you, that if you are sincerely preparing for West Bengal set, then this crash course is surely helpful for you. And friends, here you can also see the schedule of the mock test. Every odd date such as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, we will be having test, and on every even date such as 2, 4, 6, 8, we will be having video lectures. Yes, we will provide recorded videos to you on every even date, and on every odd date we will be having one test. Here you can see the mock test schedule also. On the first test is on 1st September 2021. Second test will be on 3/9/2021. Third test will be on 5/9/2021. Fourth test will be on 7/9/2021. In this way we have prepared our test on every odd date, and on every even date we will provide you video lectures. Yes, please remember it. On every even date we will provide you video lecture, and on every odd date we will provide you a test. So this is very helpful for your preparation level. One day you can watch our video and another day you can appear for the exam, for the test. And here each test will be having 50 questions for 100 marks. You can assess your preparation level. After attending the test, you will also receive the response sheet to your email ID. You will come to know how many questions are right, how many questions are wrong, what is the correct explanation for the wrong question, everything you will get. And this is the schedule of 30 tests, and here you can see the schedule for another 30 tests. So our last test will be on 29/12/2021. Yes, in the first week of January we are having examination. So our crash course is going to start from 1st September and it will be end on 29 December 2021. So I hope if you join this crash course, it is very helpful to boost your paper 1 preparation. And also friends, if you are preparing for the West Bengal set in economics, and in economics also we are having a crash course. In this crash course you will get 30 mock tests for paper to economics. Here each test will be having 100 questions for 200 marks, and here also you will get PDF solution of for each test, and we are going to provide you notes on all the units. Previous year question papers we will analyze. 1000 expected MCQs PDF we are going to provide you only at rupees 1499. If you want to join, you can contact this number. The number is 9743105335. And also if you are preparing for paper 2 commerce, here also we are having 20 mock tests, full syllabus video lectures, full syllabus mock test, then PDF with answers, important MCQs notes only at rupees 999. You can contact this number. Okay friends, I wish all the best to all the candidates who are preparing for West Bengal set, and I believe if you join our course, this paper 1 crash course is very helpful to boost your preparation level. In the same way, if you are preparing for commerce or economics, then these crash courses are also very helpful. I believe if you join our course, you are surely going to clear the West Bengal set, and I wish all the best